Hi everyone, it's Miss Kristen with Sunshine Speech, and today I want to show you an excellent app for working on vocabulary, past tense verbs, and pronouns. This app is called Noodle Words. We can go into the app.
Hi, welcome to Noodle Words. These are my friends. This is Stretch, and that's Squish. Here's how you play. We've got a box of words for you. Tap on the box to get a word. You can tap the word too. Flip. And you can press and hold to move it around. Flip. Tap the bugs, tap the words, and anywhere you want. Are you ready to play? Okay, let's go. I'll be hiding inside. See if you can find me. Spin.
Wonderful. So you can see already how interactive this app is going to be. Sometimes when we're working on verb vocabulary, it can be very hard if you're trying to do it with a static picture because verbs move. They're action words. That's what they do. So what I love about this app is that it actually shows the motion and the action that the verb makes. So for spin, if we touch the word,
Spin.
it shows that the word is spinning. And if we touch
Spin.
stretch, it shows stretch spinning. So you can let the child play around with all the different words and touch, and it will show them what that word actually means. Now, what I like to use this for past tense verbs is you can talk about when it's actually happening, the present form, spinning, spinning, spinning. And if you you tell the child to touch and hold down the word, watch what happens for present tense.
Spin. Spinning.
It actually shows the ing at the end of the word spinning. So if a child is working on that, you can incorporate ing practice into this app. What I also really like though is that when it's all done, once the finger comes up and the word stops the action, you can talk with the child about, ooh, what happened? Oh, it's all done. So we don't say it spinned, we say it spun. So right there, I've incorporated some irregular past tense verb practice, which is a very common target for children working on language skills. So you can see that was irregular because it didn't end in ed, but if I go into all my words, you can see the list of words right here. Some of them are regular verbs and some are irregular. So let's click on a regular verb. I really like this one, it's my favorite. So we click go. Perfect. And you can see that the little characters move when you first click on, but this is what I love about dance.
Dancing.
And now it's all done, so we say they were dancing, and now they're all done, so they danced. They danced. That ends in ed. It has a tapper at the end. It follows the rule. Danced. I also really like incorporating pronouns in this app. So I'll show you with a different word. Let's do run.
Run.
It's a cute one.
Run.
So because there's two characters, one of which is a boy and one of which is a girl, it's very convenient to work on pronouns. So if I touch the boy,
Run.
oh, he is running. Touch the girl,
Run.
she is running. And now they're all done. What did they do? They ran. So again, building in that past tense verb practice. You can potentially touch, let's see here if this will make them.
Run.
So the little characters together you can see here, they're running. So again, they, there's another pronoun you can incorporate. And even if the characters won't do it together, you can just touch the letters and talk about they are running, because there's always more than one letter in a word. So that's verbs, irregular pronouns, also regular pronoun. This app is not very expensive. It's only a handful of dollars, which is why I really like it, because I feel like you get a lot of value and you can target many different goals just with one single app. And kids really enjoy how interactive the app is, and they really enjoy getting to pick their own words. Another way to make it even more interactive is I'll often have children stop playing with the app for a minute and actually do the actions in real life. Then you're incorporating real life, very meaningful practice into their language skills that really means something and gives their brain something to attach to if they're doing the action as well as the little characters. So that's the Noodle Words app, and that's why I love it so much for language practice. Bye.